Firstly, as we're doing skin on fries, there is no need to peel, but we will slice our potatoes before taking each slice and cutting fries of about 1 centimetre thickness. Before placing these fries in a big deep pan and washing to remove the starch from the potatoes. This allows the fries to be crisp on the outside whilst remaining fluffy, not gluey, on the inside. We thoroughly wash these until the water becomes clear. Then we add a generous 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar and the same with table salt. These then get covered before being placed on to boil for no longer than 5 minutes. Any longer and your fries are in danger of breaking apart as they will be too soft. Once boiled, drain the pan and leave the fries to steam dry for a couple of minutes before frying at medium heat, approximately 150 degrees C, for 3 to 5 minutes or until the surface of a potato just begins to turn colour. They should have a nice crisp shake to them if cooked correctly. If they have started to brown, you may have cooked them too long. Remove these and dry on a kitchen towel. Now there are several methods out there for folks to follow, however you have a choice. You can freeze and then refry at high heat at another time. Alternatively, leave them to cool and recook just as the burgers are about to be ready at 180 degrees C for around 3 to 5 minutes. To make the chunky tartar sauce, I went for a quick and easy version. You can place dill in the recipe, however I did run out of dill and it tasted perfectly fine without. Add to a mini blender 2 tablespoons of capers, 2 small gherkins, around 80 to 100 millilitres of mayonnaise, a splash of lemon juice and a splash of Dorsetshire sauce. Worcestershire sauce is perfectly fine, and also some seasoning. As mentioned, if you have dill, throw that in there too. Pulse gently for a chunkier tartar sauce or at high speed for a smoother, thinner version. The fish is extremely simple. We will create our dredging batter. Seasoned flour in one bowl, breadcrumbs in another. The breadcrumbs have been prepared using a slightly stale tiger bread. If you have slightly stale bread, this is fantastic for breadcrumbs as it will add a better crisp. In a third bowl, we will place 2 eggs and whisk these until all the contents will fall from a fork with ease. We take our cod fillets and dry these with kitchen towel before thoroughly coating in the seasoned flour. This will allow the egg wash to stick better to the fish. Place the fillet that's now coated in flour in the egg wash and leave for around 30 seconds each side to allow the mixture to stick to the flour, before then placing the cod fillet in the breadcrumbs, coating and giving a firm squeeze to cram as many breadcrumbs onto the surface of the fish as possible. I chose to single coat on this occasion, however, for an extra crispy burger, feel free to use either panko breadcrumbs or double dip, i.e. placing the breaded fish back in the egg wash, soaking, then recoating once more with the breadcrumbs. When ready to cook, take your brioche rolls and gently brown or toast these. Fill a frying pan to just under halfway with cooking oil and heat until a skewer bubbles on the surface. Your oil is hot enough to fry. Turn the heat down to medium and place your breaded fish in, being careful to avoid splashing hot oil. You may wonder why I have a little piece of breaded fish. This is purely for our wee 10-month-old. He is now able to eat soft finger foods, so myself and Mrs. Faceless like to give him tastes of our teas. Fortunately, everything we give him so far, he loves. We cook the fish for around 3 minutes either side, depending on thickness, then remove and place on a kitchen towel for around 2 minutes to remove excess oil. If your fish fillets are quite thick, you may wish to keep the heat quite low to ensure the surface doesn't cook too fast and end up burning your breadcrumbs. Take your toasted brioche bun, place mayonnaise on the base, followed by a generous serving of chopped iceberg lettuce or any crunchy lettuce of choice. Place a large, generous dollop of a chunky tartar sauce on the top half of the bun. Then assemble your burger. Base, fish, American cheese slice, then top your bun. Give it a gentle squeeze to ensure the sections stay together, and place a serving of our triple cooked skin-on fries on the side. Delicious, a perfect Friday night or fake-away treat. The better than McDonald's Filet-O-Fish burger. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button and join us onto our journey to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. Also, make sure you hit the notification button to see more weekly videos from myself. Stay safe and have fun. Bye bye.